How to interpret and use the Insole Design Wizard. Before you can start designing your Phits orthotics, we want to explain to you the basic principles of the Phits design software. The Phits design software uses the foot scan pressure plates or 3D scanners to calculate specific insole corrections. These calculations can be recognized in the software by the blue and italic title of the correction, whereas modifications that are not suggested have a black label. A suggested correction can, of course, still be adjusted. When you do, the title will become black. When a correction has a black title, you overruled a suggested value, or you still have to choose the correction yourself. Remember, you are always in control of the design. The suggestions can be seen as a first draft and can be an excellent baseline to start your design from, but feel free to overrule them if you do not agree with them. The design software works with the UK sizing system. This is because the Phits insoles are covered with top covers in the same sizes as the ones in your sizing template set. Follow the sizing protocol carefully if you want the best fit for your patient's insoles. On the Proceed to Checkout page, you have the option to add a reference to the patient in the Reference ID field. This reference will be printed on the Phits box label and is the best way to identify the pair once they arrive to your clinic. Please note that the patient's name is not mentioned on the paperwork when you receive the orthotics. This is to guarantee the privacy of the patient. At the bottom of the Proceed to Checkout screen, you will also find a Remarks field. This field can be used for recording information for you and your team to help you when receiving the orthotics. This field is not intended to provide instructions to our production, nor should it be used to add patient-sensitive information. If you have any questions, you can quickly contact our support teams directly. When you click on Confirm Order, you submit the order and send it to our production sites. Once an order is in our system, it goes into an automatic flow, so it is not possible to make changes to the design, nor is it possible to cancel an order. When you submit an order, the system will automatically create a unique order ID number, which starts with RS, followed by the year, and then a random letter combination. If you have a question on a specific pair of insoles, please include this number in the communication. Do you want an additional pair for the same patient? Go back to the Design tab and confirm the order again. Every pair will receive their unique order ID number. Not sure whether you submitted your order correctly? You can check the Orders tab in the FootScan software or consult the RS Print online portal, portal.rsprint.com, to verify if the order is in your In Process list.